Hey guys, MrWaheedulHaque here, back with another video. Today we're back in the Golf, not the Golf, the Polo, we're here with Zuned. A lot of work going to be done on this car soon. So today we're going to be installing some strip lights for the footwells. So this is the kit we got. It's got control over the remote. You got the USB there, and it's 4 strips. I think we paid like 10, 11, 12 pounds, something like that. 15. You also get, what's 15? Yeah. You sure? Okay, 15 pound, close enough. You also get this with it for free, but that's we don't need it, so it's spare. So okay, so first thing you're gonna do is just gonna plug this out for now.
Should I do it for you?
Go on if you want. You do that one, I'll do this one. So the main problem is for me is this is a 3-door, so the back this seat's gonna be constantly moving. So I'm thinking, where can we do it properly? So hopefully we can. Don't really need this box at the moment. Alright guys, I'll take this. There's a lot of rubbish here. Wait, they didn't give us a 3M tape, did they? Yeah, they're not give us a 3M thingy for this one. So you're not going to be able to stick this down anyway. Unless we place it somewhere. Trying to see. But yeah, that's your infrared sensor. So we'll work with that. And plug this in anyway. Alright, so I'm gonna pause the video guys while I plug this in. Alright guys, so now this is the most left on it, yep. So this is gonna go to the front. I'm gonna run it along here and use the 3M tape. Take the back off, stick it up here on a flat surface, there-ish I think. Right at the back there, and then plug the wires into here. There's a massive hole in there, so we're gonna chuck the wires in there. And then the second one, we're going to run down here, put it underneath the seat on a flat surface as well, and then we'll do the same on that side, and then I'll come back. Okay guys, the footwell lights are now done. We're going to show you at night time, probably one day, maybe today. Do you want to come later? It's up to you. I'm not got it. So yeah, you got this remote, you can choose whatever color like. That's the highest brightness. Okay, so for daytime it's quite bright. Oh yeah, the remote thing's there in it. So these are different colors. You got white, purple's really nice, but he wants to keep the blue one. You got music mode, so if there's music playing, it'll start flashing to the beat or changing color.
Leave on music mode.
Oh shit, that looks sick, bro.
Yeah.
It's like a party, bro. But then you're gonna get distracted, bro. You're gonna get well distracted by that.
Which one's music mode?
Well, let me see the back ones actually. So the back ones you can't actually see them much because of the seating. It's a very poor design. Yeah, you can just about see it a tiny bit. It's not picking up on camera at all. That's how dim it is in the back. Because everything's covered by these plastic shits here. Can you see? All the way around, so it's not in the best place, so it is what it is. But yeah. Anyways guys, thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. Go check out Zuned. What should we check out?
Yeah, check out my car.
Check out his car. Yeah. And see you guys next time. Goodbye.